Igbo bụ Igbo ekele m unu. Ndewonu, unu abọọla chi. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, aha m bụ Nwaada Uzamaka, and today we'll be diving into something really special. One of the most beautiful traditions from the southeastern Nigeria. The Igbo traditional marriage, fondly called the Igba Nkwu Nwanyi. This ceremony is full of culture, love, family, and color. I can't wait to take you through every step of it. So, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Igba Nkwu Nwanyi translates to the bride's wine carrying ceremony. It is the traditional marriage ceremony among the Igbo people of southeastern Nigeria. More than just a wedding, it represents love, unity, and a blending of two families. In Ala Igbo, marriage is not only about two individuals. It is a union of lineages, history, and communities. Every stage of the event carries deep symbolic meaning, passed down through generations. The journey begins with Iku Aka, meaning knocking on the door. The groom's family formally visits the bride's family to declare their intentions for marriage. They come bearing gifts like the kola nuts, palm wine, and drinks, all symbols of goodwill, respect, and sincerity. This first meeting allows both families to get to know each other, discuss intentions, and begin building trust. It is a powerful gesture that sets the tone for everything else that follows. After the introduction, the bride's family presents a list of items requested from the groom's family. This list includes symbolic gifts such as clothing, food items, drinks, and sometimes money for different members of the family. It is important to note that this is not a bride price, but a traditional way of honoring the bride's family and acknowledging their role in raising her. The discussions are often filled with laughter, respect, and community spirit. Elders ensure that both families agree in peace and happiness. On the wedding day, the entire community gather in joy and celebration. The bride looks radiant in her George wrapper, coral beads, and matching head tie. The groom appears regal in his Ishiago top, red cap, and walking stick, a sign of dignity and pride. The ceremony is filled with drumming, dancing, and cultural displays. Guests come from far and near to witness and bless the union. This day reflects the beauty and strength of the Igbo identity, color, music, laughter, and tradition in perfect harmony. One of the most sacred and emotional parts is when the bride carries a cup of palm wine, mmanya nkwu, in her hand. She walks gracefully through the crowd, searching for her husband while the audience cheers. This symbolizes her free will and choice of a life partner. When she finds him, she kneels, offers him the wine, and he drinks. In that moment, they are officially recognized as husband and wife, according to the Igbo custom. The crowd erupts in joy. Music begins, and the elders bless the couples with words of wisdom. After the wine moment, the couple is led before their parents and elders of the land for blessings and prayers. The parents lay their hands on the couple, praying for long life, fertility, and peace. Ogologo ndụ na ahụike, ọmụmụ na udo. Elders offer words of wisdom, sharing ancestral blessings and moral guidance. Traditional items such as the kola nuts, wrappers, and symbolic gifts are used in this moment to show continuity and family acceptance. This blessing seals the marriage spiritually and socially. It is the point where the two families become one. No Igbo event is complete without oriri na egwu, feasting and dancing. After the formal rite, guests enjoy traditional dishes like the ofe oha, ofe olugbo, ofe okazi, jollof rice, fufu, and plenty of palm wine. There is singing, drumming, and storytelling late into the night. Everyone celebrates not just the couple, but the unity of both families. It is a time of laughter, pride, and cultural expression. Each dance step, drum beat, and song echoes the joy of the Igbo spirit. Igba Nkwu Nwanyi is more than a ceremony. It is a journey of unity, respect, and culture. It teaches the value of family, humility, and communal living. Through this tradition, the Igbo people remind us that marriage is not just only a private affair, but a sacred covenant witnessed by families, ancestors, and the community. It is a reflection of who we are, proud, united, and deeply connected to our roots. Thank you for learning about the Igba Nkwu Nwanyi in Ala Igbo. If you enjoyed this presentation, please like, share, and subscribe for more stories about our rich Igbo heritage. Let us continue to celebrate and preserve our culture. Let us keep it alive for future generations. Thank you.